How are you mga katami? Today, we're going to prepare homemade Oreo chocolate ice cream that will surely melt inside your mouth.
Oh no!
Let's start the preparation by adding all-purpose cream. It should be cold, but not as cold as your heart. Then let's add creme densada. It's a combination of cream and condensed milk. It's up to you if you still wanted to add condensed milk. Then start to mix them and blend them well. Make sure to mix them well so that they become compatible with each other. It's like a chemistry that is conjoined with ways of love. Then let's add chocolate syrup. Mix them slowly and gently, like you being gentle with my heart. We will then separate the cookies and then crush them into small pieces. This is where the men are good at, in crushing woman's heart. Then let's add the crushed cookies to the mixture of all-purpose cream. Then let's add grated cheese. If you add creme densada, it is your option if you still wanted to add more condensed milk because the creme densada is already sweet. It is sweet as you are. Creme densada is already sweet. It's up to you if you wanted to add a little more condensed milk. And then here I'm adding cheese to the mixture. Like those traditional Filipinos, I'm reusing the old container ice cream here. So let's put all the mixture and then let's add toppings to the ice cream. It is your option to choose whatever toppings you wanted to put. Here I'm adding chocolate chips. It is also better to put some nuts at the top of this ice cream. You may include cashew nuts or almonds or whatever nuts you wanted to add here. Then of course I'm adding marshmallows. So that's how easy this is done. We can set it aside and let it cool at the freezer. Here it goes, our chocolate Oreo ice cream that will definitely melt inside your mouth and not in your hand.
Oh no!
Again, I would like to thank you for watching my new video, and for you to be updated, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and notification so that you will always be updated. Thank you.